Good morning! ちょっとシートベルトつける。
Me too.
後ろには可愛い可愛いライトくんが乗ってます。今日はどんな予定ですか、シエさん？
今日はとりあえず片付けは終わって、修理の予定はまだついてないんだけど、もうキャリーちゃんがいっぱいなんかアイディア嵐の間に浮かんで、ああしようこうしようっていうことをミーティングしたいということで、朝一アヤシェルターライト君同伴出勤、今から行ってまいります。
で、今日はさ、犬が2匹
そう今日はね、ペペちゃんとティリちゃんがキミコ先生に分けらしていただいて、素敵な小野さんのお家にだよね、参りますの。とっても嬉しい、本当に嬉しい。皆さんありがとう。
Savannah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
He was really good. He like curled up under the blanket on the bed all night and slept. Like, he was really good.
Hi, Timmy. You're back. Oh, you're back.
Ryu is such a good dog. But one day I really did forget he was there. I was like, oh wait, we have 4 dogs. Where's the other one? Because he just sleeps on the couch and he hasn't had any accidents or anything. So.
そうだよね。あれ You messaged me about Ryu.
Yeah, we're just gonna continue to foster him as long as you need to.
Yay! Miss Carrie,
Yes.
what are you here for today?
We are here to take some pictures of the lovely Pickles, who was adopted, I don't even know how many months ago, but she has found her dream home. So
Yeah.
excited for her. Oh, and now she has her crown.
There, my little princess Pickles.
Oh my god.
And this
so
is
cute.
Christine, lovely mama, and Princess Pickles.
迎えに来ました。
お迎えに来ました。
よろしくお願いします。
リリーとペペの可愛い2
飛行機乗ろうね。
ね。Daddy's back. おかえり。Thank you, Tori. Hey guys, so I feel like I didn't explain it well enough in the videos that the dogs came back to the shelter because the typhoon was so strong, plus our shelter isn't really well built, so the dogs had to evacuate to our staff's house. There's gonna be new dogs coming back from Ozato tomorrow and later this week, so there's gonna be huge changes happening at the shelter. I'll keep you guys updated, but good night for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!